All right, YouTube fans, Pat Man here. It looks like Mayberry. All right. Here's a YouTube fan and her beautiful Corvette. Yep. We're gonna travel down through the my cancer-ridden chest here. Will get me talk. Beautiful day for a car show. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. All right. Beautiful cars. Beautiful cars. Oh, yeah. Boy, I wish my voice would step up to the plate. There we go. Doing a walkthrough. All right. Beautiful cars. Look at this beautiful 69 SSRS. Look at that, huh? Beautiful Javelin, AMX, AMC, AMX, 63 split window. Look at that, huh? 63 split window.
What'd you bring with you today?
YouTube. There's a YouTube fan in a 63 Corvette. I bought the Boss Haas.
Did you?
Yeah, right around the corner.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yep, just doing a little YouTubing. Don't forget, if you see it, hit that subscribe button.
All right.
All right. Thumbs up, subscribe. All right.
And they vetted it. And they said, we'll wait for the right time and use the Constitution.
Green Goblin. There it is. Double nickel. Pretty car. 55 T-Bird. There it is. All original. She's a pretty one. All right, Dad. Yeah, me and my lungs. Asbestos got me. Lung cancer. There it is. RT Charger. Look at that. Beautiful, huh? Isn't that pretty?
That's a great way to do it. That's the way I did it last year. Was walking
YouTube. I'm doing a YouTube clip.
Cool.
Yeah, yeah. There he is. There's the gate man.
Yeah,
Thought he was my brother. Push that subscribe button.
There you go.
Thumbs up. Boy, that's a big block bucket. Look at that sucker. That's the shit there. Pretty cars, pretty cars. Pretty cars. Pretty cars. Alright. He just lost his paper. Look at that sucker. Some nice rigs. Here's the Chevy Brothers. There's the Chevy Brothers. Beautiful. Beautiful Chevelle. Owned by Kevin.
I don't know, down in the front.
There's Kevin back there. Don't forget to push that subscribe button.
Subscribe it.
YouTube. All right. Trying to make $1 million here. Come on. Hit that subscribe button. I need 100,000. All right, guys. Hit that subscribe. There we go.
$1,000,000 for you. You're just going to spend it on car parts.
That's right. There's me. That's me, the boss hoss.
All righty.
Yep.
Show you guys.
There. Thank you. Here's Justin and his Camaro. 700 horsepower big block. Boy, it sounds tough, too. There they are. There's the boys. Don't be shy. There they are. There they are. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button now. That's right. All right, here we go. That's right. All right. There it is. There it is. There's that pretty some gum. There's the Chevy Brothers. Say hi, Chevy Brothers. All right, that's it. Now don't forget to hit that subscribe button, you guys. Thumbs up.